Nestled 600 feet from the beach and boasting Gulf views from the second floor sits this fully renovated, fully furnished multifamily opportunity in the heart of Riviera Beach. Today I welcome you on a tour of 144 Dupree Street. Fully staged with stylish decor and vacation-ready accessories, this 1,824 square foot floor plan is split evenly across 2 floors, with each unit of the duplex occupying their own floor. The highlight of this duplex is the Gulf views captured from the second floor patio and interior entertainment space. The spacious deck invites you to kick back and relax under the shade of your umbrellas and enjoy the Gulf breeze from the privacy of your own home. Taking you inside the upstairs 2-bedroom suite, you are welcomed with spacious open concept living, vibrant eye-catching decor, and a fully updated kitchen with granite counters, shaker cabinets, and stainless steel appliances. The stylish decor carries into the spacious primary suite, which offers enough room for a seating area. Located right across the hall, you'll find a bathroom that has been stylishly updated with new tile surround, new vanity, upgraded mirror, and lighting. The second bedroom is located at the back of the floor plan and offers 2 twin beds. Downstairs, we have ample covered patio space that includes a casual seating area, a dining table for 6, and a private hanging swing perfect for some quiet time away from the sun. Stepping inside Suite A on the ground floor, you'll find a similar open concept entertainment space with similar attention to detail and all the upgrades and furnishing choices. No detail was left untouched in this turnkey property, and the well-organized floor plan makes this duplex an ideal choice for short-term rentals or for full-time living with the potential for income in the extra unit. The primary bedroom features a king-size bed and plenty of closet space. This suite also offers a bonus room, currently outfitted with a trundle bed, but offers plenty of versatility as an office or hobby room. With Gulf views, versatile income potential, and a stylish furniture package included, this multi-family opportunity should be at the top of your list for considerations.